We're explaining how to fix Android emulator issues on Windows 10 when HyperV is enabled. Check HyperV. Compatibility. First, ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for HyperV. This includes a 64-bit processor with second-level address translation (SLAT) enabled in the BIOS. You can check this in your BIOS settings. 2. Enable or disable HyperV. If you're having emulator problems, try toggling HyperV. If it's enabled, disable it and restart your computer. If it's disabled, enable it and restart. This often resolves conflicts. To do this, search for Turn Windows Features On or Off in the Windows search bar. Find HyperV, check or uncheck the box, and click OK. 3. BIOS settings. Double-check your BIOS settings. Make sure virtualization is enabled. The exact wording varies depending on your motherboard manufacturer, but look for terms like virtualization technology, VTX, or AMDV. You might need to enter the BIOS by pressing a specific key, usually Del, F2, F10, or F12 during startup. 4. Virtualization-based security, VBS. VBS is a Windows security feature that might interfere. Try disabling it temporarily. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar. Go to Device Security, then Core Isolation Details, and disable Virtualization-based Security. Remember to re-enable it afterward if you don't need it disabled permanently. 5. Hardware acceleration. Ensure hardware acceleration is enabled in your Android Studio settings. Go to Tools AVD Manager, select your emulator, click Edit, and check the Use Host GPU option, if available. If that doesn't work, try disabling hardware acceleration. 6. Driver updates. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can cause issues. Update your graphics drivers through the Device Manager. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. 7. Check for conflicting software. Some virtual machine software, like VirtualBox or VMware, might conflict with HyperV and the Android emulator. If you have other virtualization software installed, try temporarily uninstalling it to see if it resolves the problem. 8. Reinstall the emulator. If the problem persists, consider reinstalling the Android emulator and Android Studio. Sometimes a clean reinstall can fix corrupted files. 9. System File Checker, SFC. Run the System File Checker to scan for and repair corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type SFC scano. Let the process complete, then restart your computer. 10. Check for Windows updates. Ensure your Windows 10 is up to date. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, and install any available updates. Remember to restart your computer after each step to ensure changes take effect. If you've tried all these steps and are still encountering problems, consider providing more specific details about the error message you're receiving for more targeted assistance.